We're just on our way to go meet up with St. John Water. We built them a trailer a few years ago for the water department. There was a fire here just before Christmas, so after the fire they didn't pump that out. Ultimately that froze, so this was out of service here. Luckily it wasn't damaged, it was able to be saved here. So the idea here is come out and steam this hydrant out. Every time there's a fire, you're going to have that issue, so you have water down there, and if that doesn't get pumped out after a fire, that'll build ice, and then when they come in, they need that hydrant, it'll be out of service, or you crack it. This goes down in the ground about 5.5, 6 feet. So what the guys did, they cracked this open, put the steam in, and melted that. That's when you seen all that water first coming out. With their old boiler system they had before us, they were getting about 2 to 3 hydrants done a day. So we designed this custom little steamer for them, and now we do about 10 to 15 hydrants a day.